Dolores Blackman in Saskatchewan, Nehiopa Sekotsenia. Iwi ai muta mano ma igoki I Mirasty ko ma Mikiwāhp kota ano so mayu iwi mam skota mak. I no so ya ko iwi temik. Iwi atsumo yak. Iwi ntona maka kyogi we ka Mirasty.
Tanse Blen Mirasty, Isika son. Tatayao, Mihio, Kiwetana, Kako Titayen. Welcome to Cree North Adventures. Come experience authentic Cree culture, Mikiwāhp and Cree. We're located on the Flying Dust First Nation in the Treaty 6 territory of northern Saskatchewan.
In Cree North Adventures, you will have more than just a place to stay. You will experience what it's like to be connected to the land. You'll hear some unique oral traditions that have been passed down. You can hear about history from an Indigenous point of view.
Come stand in a Mikiwāhp, a Cree tipi. Listen and learn from an elder. Come learn how to set up a small tipi. Learn the steps involved. Come experience the water and the river recreation, canoeing and kayaking up and down the Meadow River through the heart of the community of Flying Dust.
You know, the work that we're trying to do here in promoting ecotourism in our communities, I think helps build that nation-to-nation relationship. We want visitors, we want, you know, the tourism industry, we want them to feel welcome. My dad was a chief back in the early 70s, and you know, one of the things he always used to teach us was to respect all people. I just want people to enjoy themselves. I think that's a big part of what, you know, society needs, is the whole part of reconciliation and working and coexisting with one another.